We have only two way of source of money, whether you get a good job or do your own business. As far as the job is concerned, there has always been a very tough task to get a good job or stick to a particular job, especially in the era of AI technology, where various multinational companies are laying off thousands and millions of employees on regular basis. And if you choose to start your own business, there has always been uncertainty which carries various kind of failure if you don't have innovative idea and strong market strategy, because एक बड़ा business एक बड़े idea से बनता है. Now you must be thinking about money, investment, and most importantly the loan, which play a very crucial role to start or expand your own business. I personally feel various startups are facing issue in obtaining the loan due to absence of collateral security, especially when they are dealing with financial institute. Now this time, don't worry, I have perfect solution for it. Recently, I come across a wonderful scheme, especially for a startup, released by Government of India. Yes, I am talking about credit guarantee scheme for a startup. So let's try to figure out in this video how credit guarantee can help you to overcome these obstacles and access to financial resources that need to grow your business. So before anything else, first you need to know what is CGSS, Credit Guarantee Scheme for a Startup. Basically, it is an innovative program that designed to support startups who are actually facing financial challenges. It enhances the chances of obtaining the loan even without collateral security. Now, let's explore the benefit of this scheme. It increases access to finance. This scheme opens doors to financial institutes that may have previously declined your loan application due to absence of collateral security. Number 2, it reduces the risk for lender. This scheme mitigates the risk for bankers and other financial institutes by offering collateral security in the form of guarantee on behalf of startup. Number 3, expert financial guidance. This scheme offers not only financial security but also offers expert guidance. Startup can access valuable advice and support from a scheme advisor. It helps entrepreneurs to make informed financial decisions. Number 4, creating positive credit history. So by obtaining loan under this scheme and consistently making repayment, a startup can establish a positive credit history. So these are the benefits of this scheme. Now the question is how to apply under this scheme. So the application process is very simple and user friendly. But before apply under this scheme to get the loan from any financial institute, first you need to register with DPIIT, that is Department for Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade. And there are certain eligibility criteria that you need to ensure before register with DPIIT. So these criteria are: the entity must be private limited company or registered partnership firm. Number 2, it must not be more than 10 years old from date of incorporation or registration. Number 3, the turnover must be less than 100 CR in any of 3 financial years. And number 4, it must be working on product, process and service that is new and innovative. Now another question is how to register as a startup with DPIIT. So to apply as a startup with DPIIT, first you need to visit the site of DPIIT, that is Department for Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade, and you can create an account from here by filling up some basic information like name, address, mobile number and email ID and so on. Once you created an account, you can log in and click on recognition tab. So when you go on a recognition page, you need to fill the online application form. This application form will ask you to provide information about your company such as name, address, date of incorporation and industries. You will also need to upload certain documents such as PAN card, GST registration number, certificate of incorporation, and so on. Once you have submitted the application form and upload the required document, your application will be reviewed by DPIIT. If your application is approved, you will receive a certificate of recognition from DPIIT. Once you receive a certificate from DPIIT, you are eligible to apply for a loan under this CGSS. And on the basis of that certificate, banks and other financial institutes assess your creditworthiness and business feasibility. And on the basis of their assessment, bank may sanction your loan. If your loan has sanctioned, financial institute or bank may apply to NCGTC, that is National Credit Guarantee Trustee Company Limited, for credit guarantee. Once the NCGTC approve the credit guarantee, bank may disburse your loan. Now the question is, how much loan can a startup avail under this scheme? So as far as the amount of loan is concerned, startup may avail the loan up to the limit of 10 CR, and out of that 80% of loan amount is covered under this scheme in case of default. That means bank is at a risk of remaining 20% of loan amount. So this is all about credit guarantee scheme for a startup. I hope the content in this video will be benefited to you. How I have tried to cover all the crucial aspects in this scheme. However, if you have any question or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to leave the comment below. Namaste.